So basically Sensoryx, we do kind of a motion capture glove.
Yeah.
It's a glove, you wear it on your hands, and it's actually used to capture your fingers and hand motion and positions in VR. We do that without external cameras. So usually those regular systems actually need you to install some stuff in the room. Our system is autonomous, so you can just plug it on and basically walk outside.
What does that mean? Let's say if you talk about, let's say, first applications of how people are using it.
So basically the first applications, of course, are gaming. That's the biggest market. It's still lacking a good controller. So basically what people usually use are controllers that you have to push buttons. If you think further, which is also kind of in our roadmap, so to speak, the applications are endless, especially if you go to AR, so augmented reality, where you actually want to interact with virtual content in the real world. You have to have some kind of tools to interact with this one, and you don't want to push buttons. That's something. So you want to use your hands. I mean, usually millions of years of evolution, why should you push buttons? Industrial applications are something, then kind of Minority Report, a way of interaction with computers, medical training, medical testing.
Are there some verticals where you are specifically looking to expand or to like have as a first case study?
Focusing first on gaming, that's the main thing. And then maybe industrial applications. So we had quite a lot of interest for industrial applications, like just see what the hands are doing, or kind of cockpit simulations where a pilot needs to push buttons, and it's much easier with the hands.
So in industrial, can you maybe elaborate on one of the examples, like how it's being used?
I said it's usually for pilot training. So there are companies that just build mock-up cockpits for the pilots to train their interaction. The pilots would wear our gloves and actually could just push any buttons in the virtual cockpit.
So basically they're wearing glasses, they're wearing the gloves.
Yeah,
then they need a chair, ideally, and that's it. They don't need the whole simulation.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay, that's fascinating.
Sometimes they still have a kind of a joystick, so a physical one, but all the buttons usually are virtual. So.
Right.